Well guys, I hope you liked this short video from Haulover Beach Inlet, this time a little more waves. Also, I want to take this opportunity to ask you if you are enjoying this type of short videos. Please leave a comment below and let me know if you want me to keep making this type of videos more often. So another thing is I will be filming on this year's Miami International Boat Show. That event is gonna take place in Miami on February the 15th to the 19th. So if you like yachts, boats and powerboats and you haven't subscribed to this channel, do so, and here you will be able to see everything that happens at this year's show. So thanks for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Take care.